Welcome to this video on K3 Fashion. We will show you how the solution handles the seasonal element that is so specific to the fashion industry. Amongst other things, the seasonal character is what makes the fashion industry different. Where other industries work with ranges of products that stay the same for a longer time and a relatively small number of products is dropped and added every year, the fashion industry brings complete new collections to market at least twice a year. In many cases, the rhythm of new collections is quarterly, monthly, weekly, or even continuously. We are now looking at a visualization of the typical product life cycle that comes with each new collection. The example is based on the traditional 2 collection a year rhythm, with a spring-summer and an autumn-winter collection. The product life cycle in that case easily lasts a full year, as shown here. In case of, for example, monthly new collections, this may be as short as 3 months. However, the phases in the product life cycle always stay the same. Every collection goes through planning, concept, design, development, sampling, pre-sales and retail planning, requisition, goods receipt and distribution, and, in case the brand has its own stores, retail management. Having said that, the previous slide was a simplification. In practice, fashion companies are working on multiple seasonal collections at the same time in parallel, each of them in a different phase of its product life cycle. In the example, season 1 could be an autumn-winter collection, of which the initial deliveries to the stores have taken place and the good selling products need to be replenished from the central warehouse to the stores if still available. Season 2 could be the spring-summer collection of the next year. Using sample collections, sales reps and agents will now be selling this collection to B2B wholesale customers, and at the same time the retail organization will plan the necessary quantities for its own stores. Finally, season 3 could be the autumn-winter collection of next year, for which the creative and technical people are now working on the designs and technical details of the products. We are now looking at the details of a released product, the casual polo with style number 320102. A lot of product details have been defined for this style. For more information on the extensive capabilities in this area, watch our video on product data management. On the fast step seasons, we can see that a style can be part of multiple seasons at the same time, with one of them always being the default. This enables so-called carryovers, where successful styles from one season are continued into a next season. In the ribbon of the screen, we find an option to define the seasons per color. A style may be introduced in one season with certain colors and then carried over to a next season with just a few colors, and maybe adding some new colors for that new season. As a result, some colors may only belong to one season, where other colors of the same style are connected to multiple seasons. Within these seasons, we can make a further division into what is called drops in K3 Fashion. Other common terms for this are delivery windows or delivery periods. They enable the brand to plan and develop a seasonal collection as a whole, but at the same time, from the start, intend to bring some products of, for example, a spring-summer collection to market in February, some in March and some in April. The drops can also be defined both on a style and on a color level. The seasons are registered in transactions, like sales orders, which enable analysis of performance and results per season. They're also available all through the solution as a selection, filtering and sorting argument, which makes it possible to carry out all business processes on a seasonal basis. Important other elements in the season management in K3 Fashion are our PLM plans and product statuses. With PLM plans, of which we are seeing one on the screen now, we can manage the large number of activities that need to be carried out for all these regular new items. For more information on PLM plans, watch our separate video on this topic. With product statuses, we can make sure that the right activities can be carried out with products depending on the phase in the product life cycle that they have reached. For more information on product status, watch our video on PDM, Product Data Management. We hope you liked this video on K3 Fashion. For more information on the rich functionality our solution offers for your fashion company, watch our other videos.